Hi, this is Charles Laughlin from BIA Kelsey. Over the past year, we've been having some conversations with our clients about how we can better serve them in 2016. And we pulled some great insights out of these conversations. One of the insights was that there's a real need to break out of the pack by identifying and communicating a company's unique value proposition to the local commerce community. To illustrate this point, we've conducted a project over the past year called the Local Commerce Universe. And this has examined more than categorized more than 750 companies operating in local traditional and digital media and e-commerce. And from this process, we discovered that more than 200 companies have entered the space in the past 5 years. And during the same time, more than $27 billion in investment is poured in. This really illustrates the importance of positioning in this highly competitive environment. Another great insight from our clients has been that while doing a white paper once or a webinar once has been a great lead generation and branding tool, there's a real need for something that's more sustained and more campaign oriented to build momentum over the course of a year through multi-channel campaigns that establish your market position, build awareness, and do this in a cumulative way. So we've combined these insights into a new initiative we're calling the BIA Kelsey Corporate Positioning Campaign. And this is a customized strategic campaign that will help your business establish preeminence in its local commerce universe galaxy, whichever that is. That could be local listings management, call analytics, digital marketing services. There are quite a number of galaxies that your company may reside in. And the first step in this campaign process is for one of our analysts to meet with your executive team and conduct a detailed debrief. And this debrief will seek a number of things. One is your sense of your company's strengths, how you see yourself fitting into your competitive field, what's your product roadmap, and what are your goals, among other things. And from this process, we'll build an assessment and a report that'll be for your internal purposes, that'll give our feedback on that debrief process, and more importantly, we'll include a set of recommendations for a corporate positioning campaign. And this campaign will draw on a number of tools that we have available depending on your needs and what's the most appropriate for your business. These could include white papers and webinars. This could include speaking at conferences or exhibiting at conferences. It could include sponsorship of our various content products, including our newsletter. It could include us helping you set up VIP meetings and VIP dinners at our events. It could include using our affiliated investment bank to help you with fundraising, etc. So there's a number of things that we can pull into this depending on what's most appropriate for you. So why don't we have a conversation about it and help us develop with you a corporate positioning campaign that will help your business break out in 2016. Thank you.